Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming VS Code is running and your workspace is open. Next, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P and type Preferences. Color Theme to quickly preview built-in themes. Choose one as your base so you see immediate color changes. If you need more variety, install additional color themes from the marketplace. This is faster than manual edits and teaches you what color families you prefer. Once done, you'll have a visible baseline that makes precise font color edits easier to spot and understand. You now edit the settings JSON to control specific font colors. Open Preferences, open Settings, JSON, and add an editor. Token Color Customizations block. Inside, use text mate rules to target scopes such as variable, string, or comment. For each rule, include a scope array and a settings object with a foreground hex color. This method lets you change only the tokens you care about without altering the whole theme. Make sure to pick accurate scope names. Misnamed scopes will have no effect, so check example rules if unsure. Finish by saving your settings JSON and reloading the window so VS Code applies the new colors. You should now see the updated font colors for the targeted tokens. If not, check whether an installed extension or the active theme overrides your settings. When things go wrong, open the developer. Toggle Developer Tools console to look for JSON parse errors or warnings about conflicting settings. This helps you identify typos or higher precedence theme rules. Once resolved, save and reload again to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.